Have you been feeling constantly drained, struggling with low energy, or battling stubborn health issues that just don't seem to go away? If you're tired of fighting against fatigue, weight management challenges, and dull skin, you're not alone. Many of us experience these common problems, often brought on by a hectic lifestyle and nutrient-depleted diets. Imagine waking up every day feeling energized and ready to take on the world, even if you're juggling a busy schedule. What if there were a natural way to restore your vitality without compromising your routine? Today, I'm excited to share with you an amazing natural supplement that's been changing lives by addressing these very issues. It's designed to revitalize your energy levels, support healthy weight management, and help you achieve that glowing, youthful look. This breakthrough blend harnesses the power of one of nature's most potent superfoods, loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It not only fuels your body, but also works to balance your metabolism and support your digestive health. The best part? It comes in easy-to-take capsule form, meaning you can enjoy all its benefits without any unpleasant taste. Thousands have experienced remarkable transformations, noting improved energy levels, better digestion, and even enhanced skin radiance. Plus, with exclusive offers like our extended supply packages and free bonus ebooks full of natural health tips, there's never been a better time to try this incredible approach to wellness. Ready to reclaim your energy and feel great again? Click the link in the description below to take advantage of this special offer. With a 60-day, money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose, just a healthier, more vibrant life waiting for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on natural health and wellness.